Dear students, welcome to session number 41 of Business Statistics 2, University of Mysore, 6th semester BBA. In this session, we'll be solving the question paper problems related to probability. This is the April-May 2019 question paper problems of probabilities. The first question will be is from a class of 30 boys and 40 girls, 2 students are selected at a random. Find the probability that both students are boys. Second one, the both students are girls. And third one is one boy and one girl. So let us find the solution. There are total 70 students are there. 70 students na 70 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ನ ಟೋಟಲ್ 70 C2 ವೇನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾಗಿದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಗೆ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಆ ಪ್ರಾಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ, ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 30 ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ 2 ಬಾಯ್ಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ 30 C2 ways. So the probability of selecting 2 boys equals 30 C2 divided by 70 C2. So if we simplify that, we get 435 divided by 2415. So the probability of selecting both boys are 0.18. Next one, the probability of selecting 2 girls. So 2 girls can be selected in 40 C2 ways. So hence the probability of selecting 2 girls is, out of 70 students, are 40 C2 divided by 70 C2. ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ 780 divided by 2415 ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 0.32 we get. That is, the probability of selecting 2 girls are 0.32 or 32%. And the last one, the one boy and one girl. So now 30 boys ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 boy ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, 30 C1 ವೇನಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಾಗೆ 40 girls ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 girls ನ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು 40 C1. And the joint probability is 30 C1 into 40 C1 divided by 70 C2. That is, out of 70 we have to select 2. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಬಾಯ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಒಂದು ಗರ್ಲ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. The probability would be 30 into 40 divided by 2415. The probability is almost 0.5. That is, 50% chance is there that one boy and one girl will be selected. So next we move on to the next question. The next question is, a card is drawn at a random from a pack of 52 cards. What is the probability that it is a jack or heart? Okay. Second question is, a king, queen or a king. Third one is a spade or a diamond. Fourth one, a red card or a black card. And fifth one, 7 of hearts or 3 of diamond. Now let us find first one, a jack or heart. So the probability of jack union heart, we have to find the probability of jack union heart. Probability of jack is 4 by 52. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ probability of heart is 13 by 52. ಅಂದರೆ 4 ಜಾಕ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, 13 ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. The probability of these two. And there is one card of jack with heart symbol. So the probability of heart and jack, andre that is probability of J intersection H or jack intersection heart is 1 by 52. So jack or heart card ಆಗಿರುವಂಥ probability ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತಂದರೆ, probability of J union H equals probability of J plus probability of H minus probability of jack intersection heart, that is 4 by 52 plus 13 by 52 minus 1 by 52 equals 16 by 52 or 4 by 13. And the next question is a queen or a king. So probability of queen card is 4 by 52. Again, probability of king card is 4 by 52. So probability of queen or king is probability of queen plus probability of king equals 4 by 52 plus 4 by 52 equals 8 by 52 or 2 by 13. And the third one, a spade or a diamond. So we can say the probability of spade plus probability of diamond. So probability of spade is 13 by 52. Again, probability of diamond is 13 by 52. The sum of that probability of spade or a diamond equals 13 by 52 plus 13 by 52 equals 26 by 52 equals 1 by 2. Next, a probability of a red card or a black card. All you know that there are 26 red cards and the 26 black cards. Probability of red card is 26 by 52 and the probability of a black card, it is 26 by 52. So the probability of red card or black card is 26 by 52 plus 26 by 52 equals 52 by 52 equals 1. Next, fifth one, 7 of hearts or 3 of diamond. Probability of 7 of hearts or plus probability of 3 of diamond. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಡು 7 of hearts ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಡು 3 of diamonds ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So probability is of 7 of hearts or 3 of diamond is 1 by 52 plus 1 by 52 equals 2 by 52 equals 1 by 26. Now let us move on to the next question. Next question is, 2 dice are rolled. Write a sample space and find the probability of for the following. First ನಾವೇನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು, sample space ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ನಂತರ we have to find the probability. The sum of the numbers on the dice is equal to 5. Both dice show the odd numbers. Sum of the number on the dice is multiple of 3. So ನಾನು sample space ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. This is a sample space. ಎರಡು ಕಾರ್ಡು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೈಸ್ 1 ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೋದು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಡೈಸ್ 1 ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೋದು, ಹಾಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೈಸ್ 2 ತೋರಿಸಿ ಆನಂತರ 1 ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೋದು. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಟೋಟಲ್ 36 ಔಟ್ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಬೀಳೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 36 ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, the question is, first sum of the numbers on the dice is equal to 5. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಸಮ್ 5 ಇರುವಂಥ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ 5 ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. 1 ಮತ್ತು 4ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ 5, 2 and 3ನಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಇದೆ, 3 and 2ನಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಹಾಗೆಯೇ 4 and 1ನಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 4 possibilities are there. So the probability of getting the sum on the numbers of dice is equal to 5 is 4 divided by 36 or 1 divided by 9. Again, next, both the dice show the same odd numbers. ಎರಡು ಡೈಸ್ ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ತೋರಿಸುವಂಥ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್, one one, 3 1, 5 1, 1 3, 3 3, 5 3, 1 5, 3 5, 5. Total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. ಎರಡು ಡೈಸ್ ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ತೋರಿಸೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ 9 ಇದೆ, ಟೋಟಲ್ 9. So the probability of both the dice show the odd number is 9 divided by 36 or 1 divided by 4. All the outcomes ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. Next, sum of the numbers on the dice is multiple of 3. ಅಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಸಮ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ 3 ಇರಬೇಕು. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ 3 ಅಂತಂದರೆ 3, 6, 9 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 12. ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ದು ಸಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರಬೇಕು? ಈ 3 ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ 6 ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ 9 ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ 12 ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಆ ಥರ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಇರೋದು 2 1, 1 2, 5 1, 4 2, 3 3, 6 3, 2 4, 5 4, 1 5, 4 5, 3 6 and 6 6. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So probability of the sum of the numbers in the dice is a multiple of 3 is 12 divided by 36 equals 1 divided by 3. Now let's move on to the next question. They have given probability of A equals 1 by 2, probability of B equals 1 by 2 by 5 and probability of A union B equals 4 by 5. Find the probability of A intersection B. This is very simple question. So probability of A union B equals probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Or probability of A union B ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 4 by 5 equals 1 by 2 plus 2 by 5 minus probability of A intersection B. So probability of A intersection B equals 1 by 2 plus 2 by 5 minus 4 by 5 equals probability of A intersection B equals, and ಈ ಮೂರು ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ LCM ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, that is 10 over 5 plus 4 minus 8 equals 1 by 10. Probability of A intersection B is 1 by 10. With this we have come to the end of this session. ಮುಂದಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.